my boat sunk, and I recently lost my job. And at one of my surgeries, something went wrong, and it led to neuropathy and led me to have permanent severe damage in my right hand. One of the reasons I lost my job, which is mainly the reason I cannot work at the office anymore. And, I had to do something else. And I tried to smile throughout this thing because I don't want to cry. But it's been a lot. And I got myself out of there, out of that nasty place, and looking forward without anything stopping me to reach my potential. And I love helping you do that too. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, or you want to start a business, or you want to become a creative online entrepreneur elsewhere, or you want to recover from, for example, a narcissistic abuse relationship, or you just want to grow very confident in front of the camera, or in daily life, in dating, I'm here for you. I want to say the words to you that you missed out as a kid or as a teen because you were abused, emotionally neglected, or because shit happened and you just couldn't do what you love. And I'm here to support you throughout your journey because nothing excites me more than seeing people grow. I'm AuDHD myself, which means I'm definitely very driven and detail focused and intensely involved in everything I do. And I'll make it my absolute job to do my best as a coach, as a mentor, to teach you whatever I can and whatever I learn throughout my life. I'm writing a book at the moment. It's almost finished. Almost. It's about a confident mindset. And I think it's really helpful for a lot of people. And if you're not ready to do that investment yet of working with me one-to-one through a coaching session, I think a book is really something that can help you because you can grab the book whenever you want. And it's a small investment compared to one-to-one coaching. Also, I am working behind the scenes to do an actual Rise event. But I'm still figuring that out because I wanted to do it last year, but it was way too soon. I thought too light of it. I was like, okay, I'm just going to rent a space and put the ad out there and people are going to show up. Well, was I wrong? People just don't show up, especially since they don't know me yet. So I had to pump out more content, and because I was just starting a new business and just starting a new day job as well and doing rehabilitation, it was way too much. So I'm here to do it slowly, step by step, building my business because what I want to do it good. I don't want to do 10 things, 10%. I want to do maybe 3 things and do it 30% and see which one works. And that is what I'm going to be invested in. So I have 3 things. I do YouTube and I take bookings as a speaker. I do coaching one-to-one online, and I'm building my Rise event and writing books. So that is, okay, that's 4. That's 4 basically. But I see book writing as content creation. Anyways, this was my story. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question about my videos, drop it down in the comments. Also, I feel like YouTube is a great way to really connect with an audience. And what I plan on doing here is be myself 100%, speak about subjects that I'm passionate about, and hopefully it will attract the right people towards my channel. I'm not trying to sell you, I'm trying to connect with you. I want to understand my audience so I can understand what type of content I can create in order to help you move forward. That is for me the main goal. I want to see with this channel what type of people are interested in what subjects, which age groups, so I can put videos out there that really help you. If you need a little more personal one-to-one touch, you want to work with me, You can also book me as a coach, but yeah, I'm not selling myself here, okay? I'm just pumping out content because hopefully I'll get a lot of subscribers and this will support my business because I love talking to people online. I'm a bit introverted, so I love doing things online. I'm really way more confident right now in my own home than when I have to start a practice and get clients nonstop. So being a coach is definitely a part of what I do, but I want to keep it exclusively. And exclusively doesn't mean it's going to be premium price. I'm not going to charge $500 for an hour. That's ridiculous. That's not helping you yet. I don't even know what type of things I can sell to you to even ask that amount of money. I recorded this video August 12th. So, this is my current version. If you hire me, this is what you get. What you see is what you get. I'm not going to fancy it up with glamorous makeup and all these special effects. That's ridiculous. If we're talking towards each other one-to-one, you're not going to hear fancy music in the background. You're not going to see me dressed up in designer clothes. And if you hire me as a speaker, I want to be relatable. I want to be accessible and relatable, not the it girl that is up there and thinks she's the shit. I do think I'm the shit nowadays, I do. But I want to teach you how to do that too, and that I feel like you can teach people in the best way when you're at their level. Meet people at their level, see what they are into, where they are at which stage they are at their lives, and just think about my own life. Like, okay, where was I at that stage? What did I do? What worked? What didn't? And I learned a lot in the past 37 years. So that's why I want to focus on a younger generation. The most stupid mistake that I ever made was thinking I can do everything myself. Because you just can't do everything yourself. You need someone to reflect. You need someone to push you on the right times. You need a little motivation. You need a little passion from yourself. I cannot give you passion. I don't sell passion. But what I can do is help you believe in yourself more. Trust your intuition. Form healthy habits. Make sure you feed your mind the right things. So a positive mindset will grow. A resilient mind will grow. And so you will be flexible enough that when life sets you back, you get over it, but you come out stronger. Because that's what I love doing. I love problem solving. I love getting out stronger because that will feel like you're a winner in life. And I don't need to flash my Range Rover to show you I'm winning. I did buy my dream car, but I'm here just me personally on a personal level. That's how I want to connect. Also, I want to get it straight out. I didn't do some fancy expensive education to become a certified coach because I teach life. I teach real life application, and that cannot be taught through books. You have to live life. And I lived life at so many stages. I went through so much. I can only put one little piece on my website. And as a speaker, I'm having trouble pinpointing what it is that I want to speak about, because some people enjoy the mindset part of my story. Some do the resilience, and some do the entrepreneurial mind, and some do the confidence and like the main character energy vibes that I constantly bring everywhere. So I have to either make it a mix or get 4 different platforms. And it's going to be complicated. And I want to be really good at just one thing first, because my ADHD brain, because I'm AuDHD, already goes to 10 different things whenever I'm doing something, whenever I talk about something. And it drains energy. So I'm just here to help you out, to be your number one supporter. and to make you rise. I hope to see you soon in my next video or during a coaching session.